clouds rolling in.
You know me, like I'm trying to figure out what to do.
Now tell me, friend, where do we begin?
Check it. I see the signs, the breeze through the pine trees, the smell of rain, it's clear to cellophane. It's nearly time, but where the blind lead the blind, heads bite the hand that feeds the mind. So how should I expect them to read between the lines? Need I remind you who's keeping time? Christ said, seeking ye shall find. But when they say clean, they don't really mean the kind that squeaks and shines. It's easier to just cheat and ride a fence, leaning to either side, depending on how the wind is blowing at any given time. But between God and man, you won't find any equal sign. And knowing it don't make the kid homophobic, it only means that I did the math, that I'd rather face your wrath and be on the wrong side of history than exit stage left when God separates wheat from chaff. See, you laugh, but it ain't funny to me. You call it hate, but how loving of me would it really be to know a cold front is coming if the packs on the back tell you the forecast calls for a sunny day, sending you running at it to it like Helen Hunting, dressed in next to nothing. Christ offers his love unconditionally, so I refuse to be a pastor with benefits, offering false peace for the love of money, only to be cut off like a coupon, dropped like a nuke bomb, and spewed out of his mouth for being lukewarm. Just some bars for you to chew on, Quaker granola. If you knew what I knew, you'd be praying and shaking too. You in trouble, Angola. There's a storm brewing out over the ocean, and if it hadn't been for the lighthouse, I'd be drowning right now, making bubbles like Coca-Cola. The soul that's not anchored in Jesus will surely drift away, have his sails torn and ripped away, and wash up on the shore of a different bay, missing more than a few planks. That's why I give thanks to the God who redeemed me, like that guy who escaped from Shawshank. Dear listener, yes, you with the face, Yeshua loved you so much he was willing to take your place on an old rugged cross. Not the kind of love you come across too often on Facebook, yet when I blog about it, like, hey look, they just shrug it off.
I see dark clouds rolling in. Now tell me, friend, where do we begin? I see dark clouds rolling in. Now tell me, friend, where do we begin?
I can feel it in the air tonight. I can smell it, I can taste it, I can tell this opportunity is rare, and I ain't trying to waste it. Underground like my basement, God's grace is sufficient. My space is right where God placed it. U to the T to the double R. Showtime to those of you who don't know who we are. If you don't mind, my cohorts and I would prefer to keep it that way, strictly under the radar. The more transparent we are, the more clearly you'll see the power behind the streetcar. This vehicle, the wheels keep on turning, burning rubber, subs rumbling, drum beats like thunder and rain on the window pane. Now we cooking with propane. His holy name led us like romaine, never profane. UT-double-R, here to warn you, sin had you digging your own grave and loving the shovel, getting filthier than mud puddles. Our Father's love is far above and beyond, fixing to trouble the water, so pray on. Me and EQ means double trouble, no Stevie Ray Vaughan.
I see dark clouds rolling in. Now tell me, friend, where do we begin? I see dark clouds rolling in. Now tell me, friend, where do we begin?
You got next. Storms coming, baby. Ready or not. My man Fisher. Let's go. Under the radar records.com.
Hallelujah. Praise the Lord.